ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं, बीजेपी नहीं कह रही है, एपी नहीं कह रही है, कोई नहीं कह रहा। उच्चतम न्यायालय ने कहा था कई वर्ष पहले, the lieutenant governor has not been entrusted with any independent decision making power. He has to either act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, or he is bound to implement the decision taken by the President on a reference being made to him. Can, sir, anything be more crystal clear than these clear words of the Supreme Court? Now, obviously what we are now seeing, and I'll give you only 4 examples in this bill, is an attempt to convert the NCT government to a puppet, to a caricature of what the framers of 239AA, to a caricature of what Mannya Vajpayee ji thought of when he promised statehood to Delhi. Let me start with those 4 examples, and you don't need to be a lawyer to see how this is against every provision of 239AA. It is against the Supreme Court judgment. It is against federalism. It is against the entries of the 7th schedule, which I'll show in a minute. All 4. Now, the first example from this bill has clause 4, which says in section 33, after the Principal Act, the proviso shall be added. तो पूरा proviso जोड़ते हैं. ये proviso बड़ा रोचक है. देखिए जरा इसको. Provided that the Legislative Assembly shall not make any rule to enable itself, Assembly of Delhi shall not make any rule to enable itself or its committees to consider the matters of day-to-day administration of the capital or conduct inquiries in relation to the administrative decisions and any of the rule made in contravention of this proviso before the commencement of this act shall be void. मैं कल सोच रहा था जब मैंने ये बिल उठाया कि क्या दिल्ली असेंबली अगर वो न इंक्वायरी कर सकती है और न डे टू डे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द कैपिटल की बात कर सकती है, तो क्या वो पकौड़े तलेगी या वो तमिलनाडु के विषय में बात करेगी या असेंबली बात करेगी असम के विषयों में?